This is the active compound in menthol, and it's a smooth muscle relaxant. Here is one of my best secret weapons that I use for my stomach issues. I have IBS-D, peppermint oil. This also has the fennel and the ginger oil. If you take this, you're going to get 400 milligrams of the peppermint oil. This is the active compound in menthol, and it's a smooth muscle relaxant. So basically that's going to reduce spasms or cramps and help a little bit with gas, but some of the other ingredients here are going to cover that. The fennel's really going to help with the gas and the bloating relief. The ginger, motility support, anti-nausea, and it also is an anti-inflammatory. Now you can take one, like I said, this is 400. You really need at least 180 milligrams from my research, real tiny. I take them right before I eat. So in the morning when I'm drinking my coffee and having a snack or whatever, I take one. If I'm having a bigger meal, I'll take two, depending on your tolerance. I always bring it with me when I leave the house, especially if I'm going out to eat. That way I know I'm going to control some of that bloating, the gas, any potential for cramping. This just takes care of it. Take a look at Vitamatic peppermint oil. It is my go-to these days.